Um, Thank you very much for a very elaborate sort of introduction. Um, Thank you, Arshad Saab. Thank you, Khalid Saab, our diplomat friends, audience in the hall, uh, the audience online, and my favorite community, the journalist community around here. Um, I initially thought of talking without putting my thoughts together on a piece of paper. But I can't express it in English, so the best expression could possibly be in Urdu. मेरी हिम्मत नहीं हुई कि इतनी अगस्त के सामने मैं कोई अपने thoughts दे सकूं which are not structured. So therefore I have put my thoughts on a paper in this gathering. This is indeed an honor and privilege for me to be part of this launch ceremony and asked to share my thoughts. I've been watching and witnessing the success of KLF for the last 12 years and has always had this desire of contributing to this very important initiative. And, I'm very glad that, the God has given me the strength today that we are supporting you here. And I'll talk about it a bit later of our broader, relationship that we've been talking about. I believe that culture connects people. And today's event is a proof of it. Karachi Literature Festival is the pioneer literature festival of the country. It's an integral part of social and intellectual calendar of Karachi city and also of the country. Karachi remains at the forefront of shaping our cultural thought patterns and contributes through immeasurable channels in its capacity to give back to Pakistan diversity of thought. Festivals like KLF also provide opportunities to form much needed social cohesion and solidarity. We celebrate the fusion of cultures of our country every year through various festivals and events centered at art and culture in all its forms. KLF has been one of the extremely important ones, bringing together all aspects into one central space in this respect. It is heartening to see the names like Mr. Wali Nasser will be presenting at this festival this year. I've personally been a huge fan of him. The efforts made by Oxford University Press in organizing such events are appreciable and commendable. Despite the COVID pandemic, the digital version of KLF will put Pakistan on the world map as a country rich in culture and creativity where there are free exchange of ideas and thoughts. BOP in its humble capacity has embedded this DNA of diversity in its veins. So at a personal and professional level, I feel BOP's value system thought, diversity of people, and diversity of all its dimensions, which is the baseline upon which we go as an organization. The second part of our DNA, other than diversity, is inclusion. Inclusive growth, therefore, for BOP is the second extremely important pillar of our value system. Our tagline, Har Fard Ka Khayal, must be here somewhere, is the concept of an inclusive growth process. We at BOP fully believe in potential of investment in art and culture for inclusive growth, as we believe that every investment has a limit of equity and innovation. It connects us with our past and sets our pace for future. It unites us beyond borders. It gives us identity that truly reflects us. Rich art is the most valuable and sustainable treasure a society can pass on to its next generations. And we believe in supporting all those initiatives which are required for sustainable future economic and social development of our beloved country. This is undisputed fact that culture and art have a great impact on the country's economy, education, and society overall. Apart from enriching and nourishing our inner world, art and culture illuminate our inner life and boost our creativity and imagination. It also encourages community closeness, empowerment, social tolerance, which is the need of the hour in our society. BOP has always remained supportive to such initiatives which promotes art, culture, literature, and would continue to do so. BOP feels proud to support Karachi Literature Festival 2021 as its lead sponsor. We have already decided to support the depth and breadth of such festivals across the country, with next stop being Islamabad and Lahore with OUP. And then depending on how Corona situation pans out, would like to expand such activities to other cities like Multan, Bhavalpur, Sakhar, Hyderabad, Quetta, Peshawar, and of course GB over a period of time. While I understand that, there is a constraint due to Corona of our continued support in line with their this year's festival theme, Imagining New Frontiers. We would imagine and then of course deliver together the new frontiers to the greater good of our nation. Thank you very much.